Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. It's April the 7th today. We're out here filming this. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Probably going to snow again in a couple of days. What we'd like you to look at in this video is while you're doing your regular maintenance and getting your machines all ready for the spring, and it doesn't matter what kind of a machine it is, whether it's tractor, telehandler, your payloaders, your sprayers, just remember to change the fuel filters. A lot of times the oil gets changed and the machine gets greased and we don't change the fuel filters. And the fuel systems on most newer tractors are very, very sensitive to contamination. The components are quite expensive. Injectors range anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on what machine it is. So just remember to change fuel filters, change your water separators, change your filters on your fuel tanks. Everybody's out there buying nice cheap fuel for the first time in a long time, but make sure to change all those filters. It'll just go a long way to protecting your fuel system. The other thing to do, if your retailer doesn't add it, make sure and add some kind of fuel conditioner to it. It just helps everything with lubricity and it will make everything last a lot longer. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.